Hello, friend. I'm David Pasqualone, and this is a short video on important questions that you have potentially about Console Vault. A lot of people that I talk to have not heard of Console Vault. I've been using Console Vault since the early 2000s, and I absolutely love them. I just got a new truck. First call I made was to my friends at Console Vault, got a new vault. So I want to make sure I address some of the average or typical questions that people have so it doesn't hold you back. First off, what is a console vault? Here's a picture of one. Console Vault is a secure storage solution for your vehicle. So, where there is a console, mostly in trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, there's an area that's quite large, but it's unsecure. So, Console Vault is a steel, made in America safe with a lifetime warranty that's easy to install in your vehicle. And that takes the place of the empty plastic trash that the manufacturers put in. And now you have a place to put your valuables, things that need to be secure, cash, keys, whatever it is. So whether you run in to the gym, whether you go to the grocery store, whether you leave your car parked in a hotel overnight, your vehicle is safe. So some of the top questions that I've heard, I wrote down some notes. Number one, how do I know which fits my vehicle and is there a safe available? It's easy. Go to consolevault.com. There's a drop down. You put the year, make, model of your vehicle, and it'll tell you if there's a console vault out there. Also, as new vehicles are developed, you can always call their 1-800 number and ask, say, hey, I have a 2026 blank blank. And they'll tell you when it's in development and what the expected date is that'll be ready. So they might say, hey, that vehicle just came out. We'll have something in 2 months. We'll have something in 2 years. Whatever it is, they're going to tell you. The next question that I hear a lot is, does the installation require cutting or drilling? And the answer is no. At least I must have installed a dozen console vaults over the last 20 plus years. And what happens is you take the screws out of the center console or the floor console, wherever you have the room in your vehicle, and then they put replacement screws in there slightly longer. So what happens is you put the console vault in that's steel, and then you replace the screws. So whether it's self-tapping into the material at just the right length, or whether it goes right into the frame of that truck or SUV, that console vault is secure and it's as easy as a socket wrench and a couple turns. Super easy. You can watch. I'll put links in the show notes of this episode so you can see some installations and how easy it is. Next, we talk about, is it a good against a smash and grab? Absolutely. If somebody breaks into your vehicle, vandalizes it, unless they have like a blowtorch, they are not getting into your console vault on site. They would have to steal the vehicle and do a ton of work to get that safe open. So you're safe there. How much storage is lost after the installation? The steel walls are thick where they can't be like beat up or cut through, but they're still thin in the sense of actual dimensional size. So you lose barely any space when you're installing a console vault. Again, check out the videos I made, which I'll put links in the show notes below so you can see an install and how easy it is and how there's still so much room afterwards. Can you set your own combination? Absolutely. There's different type of locks. I love the Elite lock, but there's 3-digit code locks, there's 4-digit code locks, there's biometric locks, there's even a barrel key lock. Whatever you want, you can get from Console Vault, and they're again slick, easy to use, and super secure. Another question that I heard a lot was, I'm afraid to install it. And like I said, I already showed you or told you how easy it was. I showed you in the videos. This is something that people with little to no mechanical skills, little to no automotive skills, you can do it. So you can go to consolevault.com, use promo code Remarkable, save 10% on whatever you need in order. It'll get shipped right to your door. It'll have instructions. You probably find video tutorials online. but it really is as simple as you open your center console, take out the four screws, set your new console vault safe in, put the four screws back in, and then you're in business. It's that easy. So those are some of the main questions that I hear. And again, I'm not a representative of the company. I'm an affiliate. They work with our podcast. But even before that relationship, I was a customer and I am a customer and I will be a customer of Consoval because I love and believe in the products and they're super practical. I just sold one of my vehicles that didn't have a console vault in it. And I was showing him the console vault in my truck, and the person who bought my Jeep immediately wanted one. And that just happened to be one of the rare vehicles that Console Vault didn't have a solution for. However, they have a solution that's a mini carry safe. It's like a universal design, and you can go to their website and check it out. It's amazing. And then you can transport this safe from your vehicle to another vehicle to a hotel room, even within your house. It's great. I believe they call it the transporter. So that's it. There is so many questions you might have. You can put comments and I'll answer them. But at the end of the day, console vaults are amazing. They're solid. They give you peace of mind. And with promo code REMARKABLE, you get at least 10% off your order and free shipping anywhere in the United States. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. And you'll not only have a cool talking piece in your vehicle, but when you go anywhere, you're going to have peace of mind to know your goods and your items are safe. That's it. I'm Dave Pasquale, and I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, let me know. Enjoy your console vault.